arall sy'n mynd I fod yna? Shall we meet our last celebrities?
Well, it's celebrity saith.
Yeah,
if I've done my maths right.
Ti'n iawn, rhif saith. Felly, eto, mae o'n ddyn ac mae o'n actor.
Actor mewn Master and Commander.
Ydy, ie. A hunky-dory.
Hunky-dory.
Dych chi wedi gweld nhw?
Did you gweld?
Ac mae o'n byw yn Brighton, ar gwch.
A gwch?
Ar gwch.
What's that?
On a boat.
On a boat?
Yeah.
Now I know who this is.
Wyt ti?
Yeah, chi'n gwybod?
Dych chi'n gwybod?
Pwy yw hwnna?
Dyma Robert Pugh.
Robert Pugh.
Woo!
Heyo.
Hei. Rhedeg I mewn. Cyn.
All right.
Haia.
Ti'n iawn?
Iawn, diolch.
Croeso.
Croeso I Hub.
Croeso o Hub.
See?
Now-
All right.
Welcome to Hub.
Welcome to Hub.
Are you just as frightened as everybody else seems to be? Everybody thinks I'm going to be this ogre neu rhywbeth. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen I fynd I fforest I ddysgu Cymraeg? Are you looking forward?
I'm looking forward to it enormously. Yes, but I'm very nervous as well.
Wyt ti?
Yeah.
Wyt ti? OK, so pam wyt ti'n nervous? Why?
Why? It's like being on a set, not knowing your lines, basically. It's very odd.
Very good way of putting that.
Yeah, you know, I should be saying something, but I don't know what to say, really.
O le wyt ti'n dod then, Robert? Where do you come from?
The Aberdare Valley, a place called Tint. Or Tint Town, it's called now.
Ger Abercynon?
Abercynon, yeah.
Yeah.
Siwma Cymraeg ti, how is your Welsh?
Very, very dipping back.
Yeah.
It's not, well, I wouldn't say non-existent. I know some songs, not very nice songs. But, I was taught it in school, secondary modern of the valleys, and he was from North Wales. And I don't think he taught us very well. I mean, we were a handful, to say the least. And
Yeah, well, I've taught a handful.
You're like going back to school, yeah. But it was, and I often sort of regret it, really.
What do you expect to get from it? What standard would you like to be at the end?
I'd love to converse in Welsh, basically. You know, my nieces speak Welsh, and they chat to each other and chat to the children and all that, and I look on with great envy.
You're in safe hands. Give me a week, I'll sort you out.
She will.
Right te. Rhif 8. Who is our last
Rhif 8.
celebrity? Pwy ydy hi?
I'm very excited about this one.
Rwan te. Roedd hi ar X Factor.
Mae hi'n actores mewn West End.
Ydy.
Mewn Les Miserables.
Oh, your French is just
Les
as good as your
Miserables.
Cymraeg. Oh, da iawn.
It was a good show as well, I went to see it.
Ac mae hi'n modelu dillad isa. Do you know what dillad isa are? Mi fydd yn gwybod.
Dillad is clothes.
Yeah. Isa.
Easter clothes.
That's quite cute.
It's quite cute, isn't it? Yeah.
Completely wrong, but it's quite cute. Isa means like lowest. The lowest clothes you wear.
What do you mean by that? What, low cut?
Underwear.
Underwear model? I haven't seen these pictures. Can we bring it out very quickly? A mae hi'n bert hefyd. Dyma Lucie Jones.
Yay! Hello!
Come on.
Hello!
Lucy.
Sut wyt ti?
Embarrassing.
I am embarrassing.
I can't take him anywhere. I've been trying to get rid of him for 10 weeks, Lucy, and mae'n anodd iawn. Nah, just joke. Just joke, Matt.
Joke.
Ti'n iawn?
I'm nervous. I don't know how good of a learner I am. I'm going to really try.
Yeah.
So what is your standard of Welsh?
Not very high. I think I can understand things if somebody's having a conversation in front of me. I can pick up certain words, so I can kind of, most of the time, know what you're talking about. Yeah. But when it comes to kind of sentence structure and things like that, I've been taught it when I was a kid, but I don't know now. So like you were saying, I'm hoping that you'll be able to just access it for me.
Yeah.
And then I'll be fluent in a week.
Get inside your brain.
That's my goal.
Well, ti'n hoffi canu, so
Yes.
you'll be a perfect student in my class.
Oh.
She makes you do sing-songs.
Oh,
Just to warm you
lovely.
up.
Yeah,
It's like school.
it's like science, the rhythm, yr odl, the whole movement o'r gerddoriaeth. Mae'n helpu chi. You know, like pan da chi'n troi radio ymlaen, and you find yourself
radio.
yn canu.
Singing along.
Translating.
Yeah.
A ydych chi'n canu'r geiriau, and you're like, I've never sat down and learnt the lines to that song. Ond ydych chi'n gwybod nhw, you know them, don't you? It's kind of, like Di said, osmosis, it's kind of gone in. So, I'll be in your brain forever.
Good. That's good.
Literally, she will. Have you ever sang in Welsh? You must have sang.
No, well, I've sung the Welsh National Anthem, and I've sung Calon Lan
Where?
in the Millennium Centre.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, no, it was good.
So how did you learn that? Was it phonetically?
Yeah, I just listened to it. Like you said, I just listened over and over and over. It was in my car, it was in my headphones, all the time. I never sat down and looked at it on a paper, because I think it would just confuse me.
The best thing I learned on Cariad iaith was the alphabet. It's a phonetic alphabet. So you say what you see, and when you put those in a word and then in the structure of a sentence, it all kind of makes sense for me then. It did. That was the moment. Thank you very much.
Light bulb moment.
But you as well would be very used to like the X Factor experience that you went through, being thrown into a world, a house, with people you don't know.
Yeah.
So that will be a lot easier.
But there'll be more justice on this show because Jedward won't win.
I was going to say I've lived with Jedward, so I'm sure the living situation will be fine.
I think Wyn Evans is Jedward in one person.
I don't know how happy it'd be to you.
Might see a big hard win.
I'm going to pick on Wyn all the time. All the time. So you'll be used to that. So that's one thing that will be second.
I'm looking forward to that, though. I am looking forward to that. I've heard that it's a beautiful place.
Well, pob lwc, I'll be with you every step of the way. Ac mae'n mynd I fod yn fraint onna I ddysgu Cymraeg I chi gyd. That's great.
Do you get that?
No.
Ah, you will. You will get that. You will get that. That's it. That is the iaith selebs.
Ydyn.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
I'm very excited.
Well, I'm great,
And by the time we're back with a new Hub series, the little Barbie Bola will be gone.
Well, maybe. I'll still have a bit of a bolla, ond fydd y babi yn fy mreichiau.
Do you know the sex yet? I got a feeling it's a girl.
Ti'n meddwl?
I've got a feeling. My gypsy blood says it's a girl.
Gawn ni weld.
Do you know what? And do you know what I'm very excited about this next VT that we've got?
Beth? Oh, no.
It's your mammy.
Oh, na,
Telling
mam.
us how Nia once was as a Barbie herself. Take a look.